Hello and welcome. Today is Friday. It is the 28th day of October 2016. My name is Derek and welcome to today's video looking at the silver chart, volatility mainly, and three NHL selections. The sideways movement is continuing. Not much more to go over other than a little bit the lows this week, a little bit higher than previous, but not much to really get excited about. If there's going to be a significant move coming, which I think there will, don't be surprised if a false move happens first, meaning if price action is going to fall well below whatever, then it's going to go to 18 and change first, maybe. And then on the contrary, if this is the bottom and we're going to make a pattern of higher highs and higher lows heading into the end of this year, into 2017, that the first move breaking out of this range might be maybe a little bit above 17 or something like that before, of course, it goes higher. Not necessarily to be the case, but something to look out for if you are looking to go long on a breakout or short on a breakdown. As far as this movement, this is now 3 weeks of just going sideways, and the last time I've seen anything like that on the silver chart is 2002 with the 3 weeks ending in here. I got no indicators on here, but this is what this entitled. Now you can see that some of these candles don't have much lines on it. That's because I only have 5 price points per week or 1 per day. So I got, this is the best that I could do. However, what I do have is a chart that pretty much goes from $4 to $5. That's like 25% in 2 years. So the volatility then was low. What followed this point was a pullback down to about 440 that would eventually break past the 5 later into 2003. Now, as far as the overall volatility is concerned, right now, as it stands at lunchtime Friday, 3 weeks ending today, 3.23%, the lowest it's been since 2008. The lowest it's been since 2002. But all the data I have is from '08. And what I've noted is what happens after every single one of these low moves. This is the high data, but so, for example, the 3.6% 3 week period would follow with a plunge of 20%. There was one of more consolidation. Another one was the start of a 25% gradual plunge. Another one had a 20% plunge 2 weeks later, but you also have start of bull markets as well, which was the case earlier this year when it was 14, and in 2010 when it was 17 before it was going to 50. So that is basically what it states, that don't be surprised to have a significant move one side or the other. And that is the silver information as far as hockey is concerned for today. 12 wins, 50 losses. A little poor for results, but just a little bit as I've been doing a little well the last few days. I got 3 picks for tonight. What I normally do is I calculate how many goals for and against I think each team should be projected to have, and then I calculate what the prices of over-unders and money lines should be for each team. So Chicago minus 122, Devils plus 122. The over plus 109 on the 5, and the under, over minus 109, and the under would be plus 109. As that's what I do. Then I look for any type of advantages that I would see. So Ottawa plus 120, I think they should be minus 109. So that's a 29-cent advantage. That's pretty much the lowest price I would take is around 120, 115. I wouldn't take anything lower than that. And then the over 5.5 at minus 115. I got 6, barely over 50% to go over, so I'm going to take it over the total. And the Columbus Blue Jackets plus 175. I think they should be plus 124, so that's about a 50-cent price move. I also like the under 5.5 on Columbus Anaheim, but I'm not going to post it. I'm going to still wait another week or two before playing any more unders. I've only done one, and I lost it, but yeah, so that's the picks. Take care.